guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle. In tonight's video, I'm going to be doing an extreme clean working mom edition. I hope that you guys like this video. I hope that you give it a thumbs up. And in the comments below, let me know what types of videos that you would like to see. And let's get right on into it. So here, I'm just going to show you the mess that I have in the kitchen. The dishes are in the sink piled up. Everything is everywhere. And I'm just going to start to clean it up. So now I'm just going to load the dishwasher. And for the toaster oven tray, which I always line with foil, it always still seems to get like dirty. I don't know how, but I found that I've been using the Mr. Clean, the sheets, the singles, and it's just easier and you can just use them as you need them. And I just used it here and it came really clean. So I'm going to work my way into the dining room now, and I'm also going to switch around the table going the opposite way. I do this from time to time when I get tired of it, so I just try to switch it up a little bit. Moving on, I'm just going to wipe down Joni's tablet with a Clorox wipe. And then I'm just going to go through his school books, make sure he did his homework, make sure that he taped it in the book correctly, and put it back into his school bag. So I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy recipe, and my family really loves it. I usually make it at least like once a week. So what you're going to do is you're going to take either chicken breast or thinly sliced chicken cutlets and boil them for about 25 minutes. And then the rice cooker, I'm going to use 3 cups of rice. It's brown rice, and I'm going to rinse it really well. I always rinse my rice. While that is going to be cooking, the chicken's going to be boiling. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to the rice, garlic powder, complete seasoning adobo, and of course fill the line. I use 3 cups as I said. So this is actually the American version, but in Spanish it's called Arroz Chaufa. And there's different variations of it, but my family really likes this style the best. And really all it is like a fried rice. So you're going to use your chicken. When the chicken's finished, I just basically shred it up. You're going to use green onions or scallions, soy sauce. I get the low sodium soy sauce. Here I'm just chopping off my green onion. I'm adding a little soy sauce. You can just throw the green onion right into the rice when it's finished. And I'm just going to go ahead and add the chicken. And I'm going to cut up some hot dogs, just cut them in little pieces. And then you're just going to fry them up in the frying pan before you put them into the other mixture. Now I'm just putting everything in. You can also get like a ham steak and cut it up in little pieces and put that in as well. And finally, just 3 eggs I use. And I scramble them up and put that in as well. And then you're going to mix it all around again. And if you want, you can add a little more soy sauce. It's all depending on what your taste is. And now that the rice is done, I'm just going to go and move on to cleaning the rest of the house. So I'm just going to put away Joni's Halloween costume. He was a Plants vs. Zombies. I think that's just the zombie it's called. And I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum before I mop. And after the floors are vacuumed, I'm going to go ahead and fill up my O-Cedar spin mop. I love this mop, and I'm using just some Lysol cleaner with very hot water. And as I go in each section with the mop, I'm just going to put on the air blower. My husband brought this home for one of his construction jobs, and we always use it, and it dries the floor as we go section to section. So I also went a little extra tonight and I pulled out the steam mop. So here it's just the next day in the morning, and I'm going to move on into the living room with Joni's help. So after I'm done picking up, I just move the king's chair back into the middle of the living room. So I'm just going to move on to cleaning my bar area, and I'm just going to wipe it down really well. And I'm just going to give my plants a little water. I usually do this every few days or as it needs, and I always spray them, usually every other day. So Joni got his first Kiwi Co box and he's really super excited. He's going to do his first project.
And let's open this thing up. How do I open it?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, right. It was. Ooh, let me see.
Be gentle,
Oh.
gentle.
I get to create the world.
See what project it is. What does it say on it?
It says, make your own spinning globe.
Wow.
Adventure book. There's an adventure book.
Okay, look at the picture. It says, North America's west of Greenland. So find the outline to the left.
Which way is the left? This way? Okay. Let's see.
North America.
Guys,
Where would you like to visit, Joni?
South America, because my dad's from there.
Where is he from?
South America.
What country is he from?
Peru.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked the video. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And please read this quote. Somebody sent it to me and it really resonated with me. And it's so important. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.